And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North. Yeah, you can see the contrast between the sunshine and that smoke on the horizon there. And that's a drift off from the fires to the west. 20 degrees where we're at right now. We did hit 21 at 11 a.m. We've kind of bounced between 20 and 21 ever since. Our low was 8 degrees, and we achieved that at 2 a.m. this morning. Yesterday, we hit 30 degrees. No, that wasn't a record. The record was 32, set back in 1913, but it was warm, and you could just feel that smoke from BC, from the fires there, and the smoke from the Montana fires as they kind of wafted up. But today, what we're looking at, watches and warnings, we've got, of course, the wind warnings all across the south. We have frost warnings to the north right now, but the real story right now, of course, is all that fire that's being fanned by the winds. And the winds are going to continue overnight tonight, and in some areas be very strong again tomorrow. Temperatures all over. You can still see the warmer temperatures to the east and the southeast. To the north and to the northwest, you can really see the demarcation between the colder air to the north and that warmer air to the south. That's because the cold front is laying right about here, and it's continuing to push to the southeast. That cold front is part and parcel of a low pressure center that is rotating to the northern part of the province. It's a massive low pressure center that extends into the Northwest Territories and part of the Yukon, as a matter of fact. So a very wide reaching low pressure center. The spin around this, coming into contact with the area of high pressure to the south, the gradient becomes very tight, the winds become very strong, and that's what we're dealing with right now. In Brockett, the gusts are 104. We've had reports in Red Deer of gusts in the high 80s, so it's a wide-ranging feature here. Now, as far as the forecast are showing, they are showing some pockets of what looks like precipitation. Most of this is cloud cover. We are seeing some precipitation being caught up in this, but for the most part, right now, it's cloud cover, and that's what's going to continue to extend into tonight. Tomorrow, area of high pressure becomes the dominating feature. Low pressure center starts to push off to the north and to the northeast, so things start to clear out quite a bit. We still have shower activity that's expected overnight tonight in East Kootenay. You'll be seeing some of that in the forecast information, but things start to quiet down the afternoon hours tomorrow. But tomorrow morning, winds are still going to be strong in some areas. 17 degrees in St. John's. Now, speaking of active weather, they're expecting heavy rainfall, and that'll extend into Newfoundland and also into the Nova Scotia area. Could see 125 millimeters by this time tomorrow. Got frost warnings for southern Quebec and then into southern Ontario, right along Algonquin Park, right in that area, expecting frost tonight. 29 in Winnipeg, 29, 27 in Regina and Saskatoon. See the difference? There's that cold front in behind the cold front, 9 degrees in the capital. Sun and cloud in Vancouver, cloudy up north in Whitehorse, cloudy in Yellowknife, and that's because that low pressure center is extending that far to the north and to the northwest. Now, your overnight forecast tonight, East Kootenay, you are expecting to see that chance of thunder shower activity tonight. 2 degrees for a low. You have a risk of frost as well in the mix, so a little bit of everything. Sun and cloud tomorrow, 14 degrees for a daytime high for you. Crow's Nest Pass, clear skies tonight, except for of course, the smoky conditions. You could be picking up some of that from BC and from Montana as well. Windy tonight. Windy again tomorrow, but sunny. Medicine Hat, you're looking at mostly clear skies tonight, except for that drift off of smoke. Windy conditions tonight, windy tomorrow as well. In the morning, you'll have gusts of 50 kilometers per hour. 15 degrees for a daytime high. So as the cold front comes through, we do pick up those cooler temperatures for tomorrow and Wednesday. 15 for our daytime high tomorrow here in Lethbridge. There's your 5-day forecast. You can start to see as we head towards the end of the week, temperatures do start to pick up here. Head into Thursday and Friday. That area of high pressure really does start to allow some of that warm air to come up from the south again. 24 and 27. Take a look at the record temperatures. The interesting one is the first one on your page. We've got 31 degrees for a high that was set in 2011, but it tied with the record, same number, that existed in 1968. So that was a very warm year, and we hit pretty close to that yesterday when we hit 30 degrees. So it's been a warm one. A couple of cooler days, and then we're back into warm conditions. That's it for me. Have a safe evening, everyone.